Welcome, here we have top 5 latest OpenAI tools that you can use to improve your work and personal life. Number 5, OpenAI GPT-3. This is a state-of-the-art language processing AI tool that can perform a wide range of tasks, including translation, summarization, and content generation. Number 4, DeepMind AlphaFold. This is an AI tool that uses machine learning to predict the 3D structure of proteins, which can have important applications in the field of biology and medicine. Number 3, Google Duplex. This is an AI tool that can make phone calls on your behalf, using natural language processing to hold conversations with humans. Number 2, NVIDIA Jarvis. This is an AI tool that can understand and respond to voice commands in multiple languages, making it easier to interact with devices such as smartphones and smart home systems. Number 1, OpenAI DALL-E. This is an AI tool that can generate original artwork and imagery based on text descriptions, making it easier to create unique visual content.
Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and hit bell icon for more such videos. Thumbs up.